Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be giving you a brief overview about how to set up a successful Etsy shop with little to no money down so that you can create an online business that generates money in your sleep. Now, if that sounds good to you, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. The first thing you need to do before even starting your store is you need to find your niche. Niche stores dominate Etsy. A simple look around the website will show you this. So don't try to reinvent the wheel, do what works. Putting a whole bunch of products that have nothing to do with each other in your shop is just going to confuse people and make them leave. Not only that, but you look like more of an authority and you're able to charge more for your products when you do have a niche shop that hyper focuses on a certain product or a certain topic. Next, you need to ensure that there's an interested customer base. You do this by finding products that people are already searching for. Now, don't worry about a niche having a lot of competition. That just proves that the niche is profitable and that there's an engaged audience, which is what you want. Also, you want to be in a popular niche so that Etsy passively drives traffic to your shop. The holy grail of niches is one that is pretty much untapped, meaning high search volume, but low competition, very little people creating that product. But this can be kind of hard to find. You can do just as well selling popular items that people are already very familiar with and that a lot of people are already catering to, just so long as there's more people buying than producing the product. So long as you are selling products in a niche with an engaged customer base, Etsy will do the work of driving customers and sales to your products. This is the most essential element before you open your Etsy shop. You must also know who your target audience is, but this will come naturally once you find what niche you want to be in. After you know these things, you'll be able to create products tailored to your customers and your shop. Next is branding. Now, branding is so important for e-commerce businesses of all kinds in 2019 and onward. And this is because with the countless stores and online shops opening all the time, you don't want yours to get lost in the sauce. You want to stand out in your customers' heads. Now, your store needs a thoughtful name, or at least one that relates to your niche. You also will need good graphics, like a logo and banner. You can easily hire this out. Just make sure it's congruent with your niche. And you can change up your banner every once in a while to showcase new seasonal products you might have, especially paying attention to Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother and Father's Day, stuff like that. With so many Etsy shops, you need to be able to stand out to a potential customer while they're searching the platform. It is also important to visually entice customers and pique their interest in your shop. The first impression that they'll have of your shop will normally be through the search results pages, so your products really play a large role in how many visitors your shop gets. That said, one of the most important parts of your shop's branding are going to be the product photos. Your photos will need to be crisp and clear. It helps to showcase how these products can be used in one's home or just in daily life. Product photography should reflect your audience. For example, if your store is all about witch-themed wedding gifts, you probably already figure that they would look great surrounded by similar items in a photo, like candles or spellbooks. The way that you display your Etsy shop's visual elements, banner, products, logo, etc., is key to how attractive your shop looks to other people, and that's going to play a big role in whether or not they click on your shop. Once you figure out the visual elements of your shop, you will need to fill out your shop's content. Now that's actually the third tip that we have for you. Fill out all of the sections in your shop. This includes the About section that are similar. The key to creating a successful Etsy shop or any e-commerce shop in general is your unique selling point. So what's going to make you different? Fill out your policy section too. People will always want to know if you allow refunds, exchanges, or cancellations. Now, you don't have to accept any of these, but it's important to make them clear. This will help prevent any potential disputes or confusion between you and customers. Next is good customer service. Etsy allows customers to leave public reviews on your shop's front page, whether good or bad. Etsy also shows your shop to more potential customers searching for products in your niche when you have positive reviews. And yes, it will lower the visibility of shops with several poor reviews too. So that's why it's important to make sure your customers are happy. Finally, something that is often overlooked but is the key to Etsy's success is SEO, search engine optimization. Now, Etsy is a search engine just like Google. That means that it also has bots that detect product keywords to match potential buyers with the products they look for in the search bar. Its algorithm can seem complicated, and to be honest, it is. But focusing on your keywords can ensure that Etsy's bots find your products and drive targeted traffic to your store. That is, people who already know and love your niche or products. That's why you need to pay special attention to keyword placements in your listing and your shop. So these were just a few key elements that you need to focus on when starting your Etsy shop. They're things that we wish we knew as well, but that we've learned over time, and we're really glad to be able to share them with you. Do all these things, and it's a great start to having an easier time on Etsy and beginning to make sales right off the bat. We'll see you in the next videos. We'll be sharing so many more Etsy success tips, so definitely leave your questions in the comments, and we may just make a video on it. Leave a link to your shop too, and we may also review your shop free of charge. Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more videos about making money online. Take care, and thanks for watching.